Welcome to my channel Masum Creates. Today I talk about digital marketing. Digital marketing is the promotion of brands and products using online and digital channels to connect with potential and existing customers. It encompasses a wide range of strategies and tactics, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media, email campaigns, and pay-per-click (PPC) advertising, all designed to achieve business goals like increasing brand awareness and driving sales. Key aspects of digital marketing: digital channels. It utilizes digital platforms like websites, apps, social media, search engines, and email to deliver promotional campaigns. Customer connection. It allows brands to connect with their target audience in places where they spend a lot of their time, online. Diverse strategies. Common strategies include search engine optimization, SEO, optimizing content to appear in search results. Social media marketing, using social media platforms to promote and engage with customers. Content marketing, creating and distributing valuable content to attract an audience. Email marketing, sending promotional messages directly to potential and existing customers. Paid advertising, running ads on search engines or social media, PPC. Measurable results. Digital marketing provides immediate feedback and results, allowing businesses to track metrics like clicks and conversions to adjust their strategies in real time. Cost-effective. It can be a more cost-effective way to reach a specific, targeted audience compared to traditional marketing methods. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.